Hello students, welcome to Ant's classes. Let's do number and numeration chapter 1, exercise 1.3, questions 3 to 7. Page number 8, and what does question 3 say? Write the numbers as per the Indian and the international systems. So we have our numbers given here. We have to put it in the Indian system and then the international system. So let's write down this number first. So here we have 9065726. Now in the Indian system, the ones period alone will have 3 digits and all the other periods will have only 2 digits. So it's easy to place the commas. So here we place a comma here. That is the first 3 digits, ones, tens and hundreds. After that, every 2 digits. Now we can read this. This is 90,65,726. Let's write all the numbers in the Indian system first so that we get enough practice. So let's write down this number here. So that is 256889112. So like I said, Indian system, only the ones period will have 3 digits. Everywhere else it's 2 digits. So let's place commas. So here 3 digits. Now after this, after every 2 digits, place a comma. So 2 digits, comma, 2 digits, comma. So this becomes 2 crore 56,88,912. Let's write down the next number. So that is 347500169. Indian system, you have the 3 digits and then the comma, and after that, after every 2 digits you have comma. So 1 2 comma 1 2 comma. Now this becomes 34 crore 75 lakh, and there's nothing in the thousands place, 169. Let's go on to the fourth one. So that is 690898979. Again 1 2 3 and then we place our comma here. So after that, after every 2 digits, 1 2 comma 1 2 comma. So this is 6 crore 90,89,879. Let's write down this number. So this is 7893815. So 1 2 3, let's place a comma. After that 1 2 comma. So we just have 2. So now this is 78,93,815. Let's write down this number. So that is 253725661. So here we have 1 2 3. We can place a comma. Then after every 2 digits, 1 2 comma 1 2 comma. So this is 2 crore 53,72,561. So what did we do? All these numbers we have written in the Indian system. Now let's write it in the international system, the same number. So let's write down these numbers as it is. So the number is 9065726. Now in the international system, it's very easy because every period has 3 digits. So you can say 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. You can go on like that because in the international system, after every 3 digits you have a period. A period has 3 digits. So let's place our commas. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. So how do we read this? This is 9 million. 65 is in the thousands period. So 65,726. Let's write down this number. So that is 256889112. Again, it's very easy. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. So let's do that. So we have a comma here and a comma here. Now let's read. This is 25 million. Now this is 688,000. The whole thing you must read together. 912. Next number. 347500169. So let's do that. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. Let's put the commas here. It's easy because it's after every 3 digits. This becomes 347,500,000 169. The next number is 69089,879. So let's place our commas. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay, so the commas come here. So now let's read our number. 69,089,879. Next number is 7893815. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So let's place our commas. So after every three digits, so this is 7,893,815. Now let's write this here. So this is 25372561. Place commas after every three digits. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. 25,372,561. So this is how we write both in the Indian and in the international systems. Question 4. Rewrite the following numerals using commas according to the Indian place value system. Now, in which system have the commas been placed here? Here, as you can see, there are 3 digits, comma, 3 digits again. There's a comma. That means this is in the international system. So we have to rewrite these numbers here and place commas according to the Indian place value system. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this number, write it as it is without the commas. So we have 6. Let's leave out the commas. 605,445. So now we're going to place commas according to the Indian system. So 1, 2, 3, comma, then 1, 2, comma. So we have a comma here and a comma here. So when we read this, what does this become? 66,05,445. Again, this is in the international system because after every 3 digits you have a comma. Now let's rewrite this number without commas first. So 775908464. Now let's place commas. So here, remember, in the Indian system only the ones period will have 3 digits. So 3, comma, then 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. So let's do that. So we have a comma here, and a comma here. Now how do we read this number? This is 77 crore 59 lakh 8,464. The next number, let's write it down without the commas. 15403,503. Let's place the commas. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2. So let's do that. So 3, 2, 2, and then we leave it. So this is 1 crore 54 lakh 3,503. So we have placed commas according to the Indian system. Question 5. Rewrite the following numerals using commas according to the international place value system. That means what we have been given, the numbers are all in the Indian place value system. So now let's rewrite according to the international place value system. So we write the number without the commas. 56122231. In the international system, it's easy to place commas because every period has 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So let's do that. We have a comma here and a comma here. Now let's read the number also. 5,612,231. Now let's write the next one without commas. So that is 7454432. Placing commas after every 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So let's do that. We have a comma here and a comma here. Now, if we have to read the number, this is 74,544,342. Let's write down the next one. Remove the commas and write 434013,503. Now, commas after every 3 digits. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So we have a comma here and a comma here. Now let's read this whole thing, 434 million. Now this is only 13, which is in the thousands period. So we say 13,503. Question 6. The forex reserves of a country was estimated to be 802,354,021, which when entered in the computer was shown as this number. Now we have to say if this entry is wrong or right. If wrong, we have to write the correct one. Now what is the meaning of this question? The forex reserves of a country. What is this? What are the forex reserves of a country? That is, how much of money is there in the central bank of a country. So the money will be there in the form of gold or silver or even cash. So in a particular country, what they had was estimated to be so much. How much is that? 802,354,021. Okay, but when this number was entered in the computer, it was shown as this. Now we have to say whether this number is the same as the number given in words. So let's write down the number given in words. 802 million. Remember, when a million comes, that means it is a period. So what is before that? 802. So that is 802 million. Then we have 354,000, which is the next period, 354,000. Now here we have only 21. So here we know that this is the international system because you can see million here, isn't it? And remember, in the international system, every period must have 3 digits. So here we have 3. Here also we have 3. Now here it says 21. Now we have only 21. Now we need to have 3 digits. So a 0 has to come before that. So what is this number? When we write it down, it will be 802, comma, then again we have 354, comma, and 0, 21. So now this is 802,354,021. So this is how much the forex reserves of a country is. Now the same number was entered into the computer. When it was entered into the computer, it was shown this way. The entry in the computer was shown like this, 82, 354, 21. Is this the same as this? Here we have 802. Here we have only 82. And here we have 21. In the ones period, we should have 3 digits. That means there should be a 0. That means this entry in the computer was wrong. The entry is wrong. That means what is the correct number? The correct number is 802,354,021. Question 7. Make Indian and international place value charts in your notebook. So we have to make 2 charts. One should be the Indian place value chart. The other one should be the international place value chart. And numbers have been given to us. We have to write these numbers under the appropriate systems in the place value table. So we have the Indian place value system here. This is the Indian place value chart or the table. Now the numbers are given to us. We have to place them in the right places. So we have the periods, the ones, thousands, lakhs and crores period, and we have the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and 10 crores. So now we're going to take this number and we're going to put it here. So now what we can do to make it easy is take the ones period. We have 3, 4 and 2. So let's put it in the ones period, that is 342. Then we can look at the number in the thousands period, that's 22. So 22,000, we can write it here, 22,000. Then let's go back to the number here. So we wrote 342, then we wrote 22,000, then we have 53. We can take the next 2 digits, that is 53, and put it in the lakhs period. So 53, and the last digit there is 4, which we can put in the crores period. So now we have our number. We have 4 crore 53 lakh 22,342. This is one way you can do it. Another way you can do it is take each digit starting from the ones place and put it in the table. So here we'll start with 0. You can take each digit. So I'm taking the first 0 and I'm writing it here. So I have 0 there. Then I'm going to look at the next one, which is again a 0, and put it again here. So that is 0. Then let's again go back to the number. We have 3 there. So 3, which we are going to put in the hundreds place here, 3. Let's go to the next one. We have 0. Again put a 0 here. So that is there. Then we go to the next digit, which is 3. So let's write 3 here. Take each digit at a time. This is another way of doing it. So here we have 0. So which we can put here again as 0. Then the next one is 4. And we'll write it as 4 here. In the lakhs period it comes. So we have 4 there. Then again let's go back. We have 0. And let's write 0 there. So 0 in the crores period. Then the last one here is 9, which we can put in the 10 crores place, so that is 9. So we've got a number 90 crore 40 lakh 30,300. So this is another way. You can take each digit and start putting it in the chart. So we can do it that way, or you can take it as a period. So in this case, let's take a period. We'll try both. Okay, so whichever is easier you can do. So here, if we have to put it in the period, ones, tens, hundreds. Remember, 3 places in the Indian system, comma, then 2, comma. So now we can write it like that. So here we have 009 in the ones period, which we can write here. So that can be 009 we have in the ones period. The next period is the thousands period, which is 75, which we can put here. So that will be 75. Then let's go to the one next to it, that's 16, and we put it in the lakhs period, 16. So this is another way of doing it. So again here, let's take the next number, place the commas according to the Indian system. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2. So let's put our commas 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So let's take the number in the ones period 0, 2, 3. We can put it in the ones period 0, 2, 3. Then let's go to the thousands period. We have 45, which we can put here 45. So let's write that 4, 5, 45. Then the next thing is 87, which we put in the next period, which is the lakhs period, 87. So 87. So what is our number? 87 lakh 45,023. The next one also, let's place our commas. Here we have 3 digits, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2, comma. So let's begin with the ones period, 123, which we can put here. So let's write 123. Let's go to the thousands period. We have 45, which we can put here, 45. So we have 45. Then we have the lakhs period, which is 70. As you can see, 70 is in the lakhs period, which we can put here. So let's write that 70. And what is left? Left is just 7, which is in the crores period, which we can put here. So now we have the number 7 crore 70 lakh 45,123. Now the last number, let's take 3, comma, 2, comma, 2, comma. So 3, 2, comma, 2, comma. So let's write the number which is in the ones period 456. So let's write that 456 in the ones period. Then we have the 2 zeros in the thousands period. Let's put that, the 2 zeros in the thousands period. Then we have 93 in the lakhs period. So let's write that 93. And then we have 39 in the crores period. 39 can be written here. So we have 39. So what's our number? 39 crore 93 lakh. It's nothing in the thousands place, 456. Now let's do the same thing with the international place value system. So we have our table ready here. We have all our numbers ready. Now we're going to put it in this table. So here let's look at the numbers and place commas according to the international system. In the international system, after every 3 digits you have a period and a comma. So 1, 2, 3, there will be a comma. 1, 2, 3, there will be a comma. Let's do that. So we have 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Now it's easy for us to put these in the right places here under the right period. Now 342 will be in the ones period. So we can write 342 here. Let's write that. So this is 342. That's the ones period. Now let's look at the thousands period. It is 322. So we can put it here 322. So we have 322. Then let's go to the millions period. We have only 45. So we can put it here 45. Remember not to put it here because this makes it 100. It's not 100, it's 45. So let's write 45 here. Let's go to the next number. Again, after every 3 digits, let's put commas. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Now, in the ones period, we have 300, which we can put in the ones period. So this is 300. Then let's look at the next one. We have 030, that is 30,000. So let's put that 030, 30 in the thousands period. Then we have 904 in the millions period. This time we have 900. So we can start from 100 million here. So 904 million. Let's read the number. 904 million, 30,300. Now the next number, let's put commas after every 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Now here in the ones period we have only 9, that is 009. Let's write that 009. Then we have 675 in the thousands period. Let's write that 675. And in the millions period we have only 1. So we write it only here because it's in the 1 millions place. Now let's read the number 1,675,009. Let's go to the next one. Put commas according to the Indian system, international system, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So now let's put this 0, 2, 3 or 23 in the ones period. 0, 2, 3. Then we have 745 in the thousands period. So 745. Then what do we have? We have only 8 in the millions period. So we write 8 million. So this is 8,745,023. The next number, commas, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Right. Now here we have 123 in the ones period. So 123. Now in the thousands period we have only 45. It means 0, 4, 5. 0, 4, 5. And in the millions period we have 77. So 77. Now let's read 77,045,123. The next one, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So now we have 456 in the ones period. 456. In the thousands period we have 300. So 300 in the thousands period, and in the millions period 399. Now when we read this, what do we get? 399,300,456. We'll stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.